everybody, this is Nora with NAK57, and today I have another review for you guys. This is a brand new product by Your Sugar sent to me from Born Pretty store for review, and it's a fiber gel. Check it out, guys. This is a 7mm jar container of a clear builder gel with fibers. Now I don't know if they're glass fibers or fiberglass or silk fibers, because I know we do have both out there now. But take a look inside. So now it did originally came with a foil seal that I've already broken up, obviously, because I can wait to play with it. And you see that inside that looks like little specks or a little cloudy. Those are the fibers, and you'll see when you're going to see me to test this out. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and extend the pinky nail on my left hand, and I'm going to do a permanent application. I'm going to prep my nail as you should, so that I can give this a test drive and see its longevity. I'm mostly doing it, yes, I am extending my nail just a little bit to make it look better with the rest of my nails, and also for strength. I'm gonna see, I'm doing my pinky because it's one of my weakest nails, and I'm curious to see its longevity. I will have the link for this down in the description bar below. Remember, if you want a 10% discount, you may use my code IDUK31. Now I'll go ahead and leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so as you see here, I'm showing you how I've already placed the paper form on my nail, and I'm showing you from all angles. I managed to do a pretty good job here placing this form on the nail. And you do want to start out with this is prepping your nail with your primer, or your bonder I should say. This one helps dehydrate your nail. And so you can see when you apply this one, it's like it immediately dries up on the nail, very much like alcohol. And then you do the primer, and this is the one that helps adhesion with the nail. Now normally you would follow this with a gel base, guys, but I am applying this builder gel directly over the bonder I'm not using the base gel, so that again, easy removal, so I don't have to go through too much trouble. And if it falls off prematurely, again, that's something that I will not mind at all. Or if I have premature lifting. Here's what the builder gel looks like. You can see the itty bitty strands of fiber. They're not long strands or long fibers. They're in little pieces. And this was pretty easy to work with. I mean, pretty much just like any other builder gel. You may see while you apply it to the nail, you may see some of them that they're just kind of seem like to be hanging off the side, and they can just blend back into place. There's one right there. Hopefully you can see it off of the corner. But you can put them right back into the product without any problems, and they really do not get in the way, and they don't make filing any harder or anything like that. It's almost as if you don't even notice that they're there. And this builder gel, guys, good news, it is soak off, because I did test it for that. So yes, I was happy to know that it is a soak off builder gel. So I'm removing the form. It cured well, and I just did the 30-second cure, and it did just fine with that in my 48-watt LED lamp. Here you can see how clear it is. And then I just did some, you do want to, does have an inhibition layer, so you want to remove that with alcohol prior to buffing and filing to shape. Then I went ahead and file into shape and made that point just a little bit, made it look a little bit more natural. And there it almost looked like this old white, guys, but this is only because of buffering after the buffing. And what I'm doing, I'm pretty much just wiping the brush clean on the nail. What was left on the brush, I'm putting it back on the nail and then curing again. It wasn't really not a second layer, but pretty much just whatever was left on the brush. And here I'm showing you the profile, nice and thin, very natural looking. pretty easy to work with. And then I went ahead and finished it with a gel top coat, a clear top coat. So here's the final result, guys. What do you guys think? I think it turned out very natural. I was very pleased how well this worked. Now, ultimately, I went ahead and took this opportunity to, now that I'm ready, reshape my nails back to the almond shape and my pointy tips. Yay! So happy to be able to come back to these. So this is it, guys. I will be testing this as a regular or permanent wear. So do stay tuned for my update on how this builder gel did on my nail. And and something else that I did, if you notice there on my tip, to make it blend with the rest of my white tips, I did apply white gel polish underneath the nail and then finished it with a matte top coat. So that is it. If you have questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember, the link will be down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me this product to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.